Want to charge your Apple Watch, but not sure how? In this video, I'll show you exactly what you need and how to do it step by step so your watch powers up without any hassle. But before we dive into this, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone who might find it helpful. To begin, you'll need your Apple Watch, the magnetic charging cable. One side of it looks like a small circular disc and a USB-C charging adapter. Start by plugging your USB-C adapter into a power socket. Then, connect the USB-C end of the charging cable to the adapter. On the other end of the cable, you'll find a circular disc. This is the charging head. Now place the back of your Apple Watch directly onto the disc. The magnets will help it snap into place perfectly. As soon as the connection is made, you'll see the charging icon appear on your Apple Watch screen. This means it's charging successfully. That's it. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with others. Catch you in the next one.